So is your LG TV remote not working? Well, here's how to fix your LG TV remote. Today, I'm gonna walk you through the most common fixes and I'll show you an easy backup option if nothing else works. Now, the first thing to check on your LG TV remote is gonna be power. This remote runs on batteries, so if your remote feels sluggish or unresponsive, replacing the batteries with a set of fresh batteries is the first step that we'll take. After you replace the batteries, give it a moment or two to reboot up and then try again. A dead battery is the most common fix that people overlook. Now, if charging didn't help, let's restart the television. This can be done by holding down the power button, either on the remote or underneath the television, or simply just unplug it from the wall for 30 seconds. This will clear any temporary glitches that are causing the TV and the remote not to communicate, and plug it back in, and then retest it. Now, is it still not working? Well, the remote may have lost its connection between itself and the TV. Well, here's how to reset your LG TV remote and pair it again with your TV. You want to point the remote at the television and hold down the home button and then the back button. It may differ depending on which model TV that you have, but for the LG TV that I have, it's going to be the home button and the back button. You'll hold that down until you see a pairing message that appears on the display of the television, confirming that the remote has been paired. And that's it, your remote should now control your TV. But if it's still not working, there may be one more thing to do. Here, we're gonna check physical interference. Now, the signal between your remote and the television can be blocked by objects in the way. You wanna move closer to the TV, removing anything that might be blocking the sensor. Even a sound bar or a game console can cause problems and interference. Once the path is cleared, try again. Now, if none of these fixes worked, do not reach for an LG TV remote replacement. You can use your phone instead. Download the TVRem app. It's a free LG TV remote app that's available inside the App Store. Once it's downloaded, you open it up and it will automatically detect your LG TV. You'll need to enter a pairing code that will appear on the screen of your TV, and you can now control your LG TV with the app, navigate menus, adjust volume, launch apps, all from the phone without a need for a physical remote. TVRem is a universal remote app for the LG TV and it's completely free. So to recap the steps that we took, first, make sure that you have a fresh set of batteries inside the remote. You want to make sure that your TV is properly connected to power. If so, you want to go ahead and unplug it from the wall for 30 seconds before powering it back on. Next, reset the remote and then repair it and then clear any interference that could be blocking the remote. And if you still need troubleshooting, the TVRem app is a reliable backup that turns your iPhone into a full remote. Let me know which step fixed your LG TV down in the comments below and get subscribed for more software solutions to everyday problems.